Let's talk about supplies. One of the most important aspects of adding value to your home is replacing your carpets from the second floor to brand new hardwood floors. I'm here with HardWood Planet, located in the city of Vaughan, where they sell solid wood, engineered floor, laminates, and lots of other floors. So let me show you around. So one of the reasons why I really like this company is because they carry Canadian wood. And check out this one, it's 8 foot long. When it comes to hardwood floors, you want as long pieces as possible. At my home, I'm installing long pieces of wood to give that upscale look inside the home. Now, when it comes to choosing a color, there are plenty. Those here that are the standard one, but there is even more. Grays are definitely in now, but when you're deciding on a color, make sure that you're going with what makes sense. Yes, doing the gray floors right now might be a trend thing right now in 2019, but 2020, 2023, you never know. Lots of shades of gray, as they say. This is a very popular, pretty installed in custom homes even. You got this gray, you got so many varieties. Make sure you check out HardWood Planet in Vaughan. If you have any questions, you know how to reach me.